Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A charming tropical-style house with vibrant orange walls and a rustic red-tiled roof. The entrance features an elegant wooden double door framed by an arched doorway, adding warmth and character. A beautifully landscaped garden surrounds the home, filled with lush green plants, tropical foliage, and rows of bright orange marigold flowers lining the stone pathway leading to the entrance. The overall setting feels serene, colorful, and inviting, blending architecture and nature harmoniously in a picturesque environment. A luxurious tropical-style villa surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flowers. The house features a Mediterranean design with terracotta roof tiles, arched windows, and a grand wooden entrance door. Beautiful climbing plants covered in red, pink, and orange blossoms cascade across the facade, adding a warm and inviting charm. A brick pathway leads through a meticulously landscaped garden filled with palm trees, colorful flowering shrubs, and manicured lawns. The combination of architectural elegance and abundant natural beauty creates a serene, resort-like atmosphere. A stunning tropical pathway lined with vibrant, lush greenery and colorful flowers. The stone-paved walkway is surrounded by tall palm trees, large banana leaves, and beautifully arranged plants in shades of green, red, and orange. On both sides, elegant houses with terracotta-tiled roofs and arched windows frame the scene, adding a touch of Mediterranean charm. In the distance, soft mountains rise beneath a bright blue sky scattered with fluffy white clouds, enhancing the serene and luxurious atmosphere. The overall view feels peaceful, inviting, and perfectly designed for a tropical paradise. A beautifully designed modern tropical garden pathway. Smooth, round stepping stones are arranged across a lush, vibrant green lawn, leading toward a sleek contemporary house with large glass windows framed by vertical wooden panels. On both sides of the path, dense tropical plants and ferns create a rich, natural atmosphere, while bursts of vivid orange foliage add striking contrast to the greenery. Large rocks are placed naturally among the plants, enhancing the organic look of the landscape. Warm accent lighting on the garden wall highlights the textures and colors, giving the scene a serene and inviting ambience. Stunning modern tropical villa nestled in lush greenery. The architecture features clean, minimalist lines with a flat roof, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and wooden ceiling accents that seamlessly connect the indoors with the surrounding nature. The villa opens onto a spacious outdoor area with a sleek stone pathway leading to the entrance. In front, a cozy outdoor lounge with a gray sectional sofa and vibrant orange cushions sits surrounded by tropical plants and flowers, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and natural beauty. The warm interior lighting enhances the inviting and serene atmosphere, making this home a perfect retreat in the middle of nature. Stunning tropical house surrounded by lush landscaping. A winding stone pathway, made of smooth black pebbles, leads directly to the front entrance with a bold wooden door framed by tall windows. The home features a terracotta-tiled roof and warm orange exterior walls accented with dark stone pillars, blending modern and traditional design. On both sides of the pathway, vibrant tropical plants in shades of yellow, orange, red, and deep green create a colorful, inviting atmosphere. Towering palm trees and dense greenery in the background enhance the exotic and serene feel of this picturesque garden. A charming wooden cabin nestled in a lush, vibrant garden. The house is built from natural logs, giving it a warm and rustic appeal, with a sloped roof and large windows that invite natural light inside. A stone pathway gently curves through the well-manicured green lawn, leading to the front porch adorned with wooden chairs, perfect for relaxation. The garden surrounding the cabin is bursting with colorful flowers in full bloom, including pink, orange, yellow, and purple blossoms, creating a picturesque and welcoming atmosphere. Tall trees in the background provide shade in a serene woodland setting, making the scene feel peaceful and idyllic, like a perfect countryside retreat. Stunning modern tropical villa surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant landscaping. A stone pathway leads through a beautifully manicured garden filled with colorful tropical plants, including bright red, purple, and green foliage. Tall palm trees frame the scene, creating a serene and exotic atmosphere. The villa itself features clean, minimalist architecture with large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that allow natural light to illuminate the interior. Warm lighting from inside the home creates an inviting glow, contrasting beautifully with the rich greenery outside. The overall design seamlessly blends modern elegance with natural beauty, offering a tranquil and luxurious retreat. A beautifully designed tropical-style house surrounded by lush greenery. The home has a dark tiled roof with symmetrical, low-pitched gables, giving it a modern yet traditional charm. Large floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliding doors dominate the front facade, allowing warm golden light from the interior to glow outward, creating a welcoming and cozy ambience. The entrance is elevated by a short flight of dark stone steps, with potted plants placed neatly on either side. In the foreground, a winding stone pathway leads across a perfectly manicured green lawn toward the entrance. Colorful flower beds filled with vibrant blooms such as yellow, red, and orange blossoms line both sides of the pathway, enhancing the serene tropical atmosphere. Tall palm trees and dense vegetation frame the house, blending it harmoniously with nature. The overall mood is peaceful, inviting, and elegant, ideal for a luxurious tropical retreat. A beautiful modern tropical house surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flowers. A stone pathway leads directly to the entrance, bordered by bright pink blooming bushes and neatly maintained grass. On both sides of the walkway, various tropical plants, including large agave plants and palm trees, create a refreshing, exotic atmosphere. The house itself has a contemporary design with clean lines, a metal roof, large glass doors, and wide windows that allow natural light to flow inside. A cozy front porch with seating completes the welcoming and elegant look of this tropical home.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4 DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.